Welcome back. Today, not to get you excited, we're not back on this. We're still doing some bits on the other one. So, today's episode, I think we're going to do a little bit of plastic welding, as the thumbnail would suggest. I've got two engine covers for the V6. One of them has got the corner broken off here, you can just see, and it's got a little bit of damage to it there. And I've got another cover, with a complete piece up here, but it's got a bit of damage down here. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to cut straight across there on them both, and we're going to plastic weld them back together again. Let's get on, get it done. First thing we're going to do, as I say, I want to try not to destroy this one yet until I'm 100% happy this is what we're doing. First thing I'm going to do, I think, is cut along here. I want to go to the shortest bit. I've had a look at it, and I think just straight along the back there, it's going to be the easiest way to do it. So get it cut. Try to butcher a half decent, I'm going to butcher a couple of half decent covers, see how it pans out. There we go. So just lay this piece over the top. Easier said than done. That was not the plan. So what we're going to do is, just to make sure that I get this in the right place, I think I'm gonna measure what gap we've got and mark it up on the new one. Well, point of no return. Yeah, that should about do it there, I think. Ooh, hold on. Should about do it there, I think. Right, what I've done is just clamped it together. I've got the tray supported there, a couple of blocks of wood and a few little bits and bobs, so it's nice and flush, so it's all perfectly lined up. Now this will work on most plastics. Most plastics can be so welded together. You have failing that, if this fails, you can always use not circlips. If this goes a bit raw, well, if you need a filler, you can always use cable ties as bits of filler rod. Effectively, it's no different to welding. So all I've done is I've got the soldering iron good and hot. Then all we're going to do is we're just going to melt them together. Like so. So all I'm doing is obviously trying not my hardest not to breathe the fumes in, because melting plastic's not really very good for you. Trying not to go through as best I can. It's got a hole there now, so I can take this first clamp off. Just keep soldering. I'll keep melting, to be fair. Right, so I see, just a normal run-of-the-mill cable tie. Then all you want to do is just melt that in. And when you're done, while the soldering iron's still hot, don't forget to clean the plastic off your soldering iron. That's the soldering iron nice and clean, good to go again. If you look, good solid repair. So all I'll do now is just rub that back with a bit of sandpaper, rub the whole thing down, give it a paint. Might need to give it a little skimmer filler just to get, actually, you know what, just to get rid of any low spots, and then it's good to go. Rub down, tiniest little skimmer filler in there, just to get rid of these low spots. And then that'll be good. Coat of paint on it and it'll be good to go. There we go. Like I said, tiniest little skimmer filler. 90% of that'll get rubbed back out because it's just to fill the low spots. Give the whole thing a rub down and a paint. We're good to go. And there we have it. It's rubbed down. First coat of primer on it. As you can see, you'd never even know it's been repaired. Absolutely sound, over the moon with that. So what I'll do now is, I'm going to rub the primer back a little bit, just to obviously flatten it out a little bit, and then I'm going to give it a tosh over with some paint, and it's painted, stick the middle piece back in, and that's it. That's a bit of plastic welding done, engine cover repaired. And there we go, that wraps it up for another one. Bit of plastic welding on the, I'm getting a bit of wobble on, bit of plastic welding done on the engine cover. The engine cover's all done now, so that's another piece of the puzzle in. These are only little pieces, but all these little pieces will all add up into a, hopefully a nice tidy little motor. Car's done. I've just about got all the bits done that I need to get done for the show next weekend. There might not be a video out next weekend though, because, well, at the minute, to be fair, I'm just doing fortnightly videos. I know I keep saying I'm going to go back to weekly videos, which I will do eventually. Just at the minute, I've just got so much on my plate that I just haven't got time to shoot the videos of them and edit them at the same time, and get them uploaded, unfortunately. As much as I would like to do them weekly, it's just not panned out that way. Bit of good news, however. John's come through with the bumper. That's the front bumper on. Hold on. the front bumper on and absolutely gleaming. Well over the moon with that. Once again, just another piece of the puzzle. Little pieces, baby steps and all that. So yeah, super happy with that. Bumper's back on. The bonnet is still being painted, having a few little issues with that. But that should be on, hopefully going on sometime, touch wood, in the future. I'm not going to give a date on that one, John, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, with that, I would like to just thank you everybody for watching. If you've made it through this far, I hope the video's been useful to you. Anybody who got a little bit of plastic and need to just weld up. This process will work on 99% of plastics. If you're ever in doubt, just do a little test strip, just do a little test melt on the back of whatever it is you're needing to do, or some part that can't be seen. Just have a little daub with a soldering iron. If it works, you'll know straight away, because you'll just melt the plastic straight away with it, you know. So yeah, hope this video has been useful to you. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any other tips or advice on plastic welding, because we're all here to learn together. You never know, somebody might have a better idea than what I had. Like I say, thanks for watching. I would like to thank all the new subscribers again, because again, I keep saying this, but without you guys, motivation just isn't there as much as it should be. So thanks a lot for that. Before I go, next week I'm at the show, as I say, so probably not have a video next week. It'll be probably the week after, by the time I get back and edit it all and sort it all out. But yeah, again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.